Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload files in Google Drive and share that file in your Google Drive. So first of all, of course, you need to come to your Google Drive account, and then in the left corner you just need to click on My Drive option. So this is your My Drive. Here you can upload your files and share it to people. To upload a file, you just need to go to the new option here. And if you want to send a lot of files in a single folder, you can just choose the new folder option. Then you can name the folder anything here. So I'm just going to name it as example as a new. So just click create. And as you can see, the folder has been created. Now I'm just going to double click to open this folder. Now the folder is empty because we haven't uploaded anything yet. To upload anything, again, you need to just go to the new option and then click on file upload. And I'm just going to the download option in my PC. And I'm just going to upload a couple of thumbnail for my YouTube channel. You can upload anything like PDF, Excel files or anything like that. So I'm just going to drag and select a lot of thumbnail from here and just click open. And as you can see, the images are now uploading. It will take time if your folder or file is big. And after uploading all the files that you need to share in the drive, you just can now go to the My Drive option. And now you can share the whole folder. So you just need to right click on it, and you can see there's an option called share option. So you can just copy the link or share. So just click on share option. Now you'll find you can choose a specific person to add people here, or you can just change the restricted mode and just click on anyone with the link. So if you share this link with anyone, and if he click this link, and then he can download the folder or download the files that in the folder. So just click and copy the link. And if I just go to new tab and paste the link here, and as you can see right now, that folder is now opening in the drive here. Now they can access my folder and download from this My Drive link. So that's it guys. This is how you can upload folder or files and share from Google Drive. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.